So I guess we are in live. So hey guys, so today we try to solve problems which we left last session. So we need to fast it up the process, guys. So we are trying to solve the same problem. I think this is the third day for solving the same problem, which is the maximum sum of subarray distinct k element sizes kind of thing. So I'm tired of that. So we need to just first the process of solving problem. I guess we need to try to solve at least two problem if it's medium. I think that's very hard. Maybe it's easy to for someone, some guys, some of you guys. So three, maybe two complete easy and one maybe halfway had been done. And then if it's a medium kind of problems, maybe we need to complete one full problem and maybe one half of a portion. If it's hard, try to solve one problem per session. The session took 2 hours, right? So I guess this will be enough. Okay, so yeah, so we try to solve now. So I just need to see the uh, answer, but not the code. Just try to read what others have an idea so that we can make a clear route. Just guessing a random the whole idea without any road or what. Okay, so let's we try to understand how others approach these problems kind of thing. Okay, so here is some solution. Okay, so imagine you are managing an exclusive small party. There are very specific rules. The party must always have exactly K guests. Okay. The party has a strict no duplicates rules. Okay. So even guest inside must be unique. If a guest is already inside and their twin arrives, the party is considered invalid for that moment. Your goal is to find a moment in that window kind of thing. Okay. So it's the same kind of this problem. Okay, so with simple scenario based. So let's not dive deep into that. So we just try to solve the existing one. To enforce these rules, we hire a bouncer and new system. This is our bouncer's logbook. So this is the sliding window process. Okay. So we will slide our party window across the line of potential guest numbers. When the party slides one step to the right, a guest on the left leaves the party. A new guest on the right enters the party. Okay, so I guess this is a little bit hard. Uh, so I'll just try to understand it. So I don't even know whether it's the solution for the problem we saw or not. So because they are given the solution section. So let us try. Even if it's not, maybe this will be an example, some kind of thing. Okay. Just a second. So yeah. Okay, so we will slide our party window across the line potential guest numbers. Okay, so they are given the numbers. So this will be an array, right? So they are given. Okay, so uh, a guest on the left leaves the party. A new guest on the right enters the party. Okay, so here someone leaves, and then here someone enters. Okay, so a bouncer elegantly updates the logbook with every change. When a guest leaves, the bouncer decrements their countable just the same way. let us try in some other solutions. I'm not sure whether it's a solution we are searching for. So here they had some approach. Size gate to iterate to okay, tracking distinct elements. So use a hash check to check if all elements in the current window are distinct. So okay, so here they are using some hash map instead of just a set. Okay, so okay then maximize sum. Calculate the sum of the elements in the current window and update the maximum sum if a distinct condition is satisfied. So first they are using the hash set, and then the second what are they doing is sum of elements in the current window. Okay, so second one is just summing up the local window and then make it max just maximum find maximum, right? So we know that. Okay, then yeah, there are some implementation. Okay, so we maintain current sum, window set, and then start. Current sum to store the sum of elements in the current window. Window set to ensure the subarray has distinct elements. A pointer start, okay, right? So the explanation here, they are given some explanations. To add the current element to window set and include it in current sum. Okay. So there are totally three variables kind of thing, right? So current sum, I just write C W and then we try to start. I try to start high. Okay, so we just add the current element. Uh, okay, so in the current sum, and then we try the string window. If the current element is already in window set, violating the string conditions of the window exit size string, remove the element from the start of the window until it becomes valid. Okay, so they are doing like this. Let's say if we have this is the window, we have the window size of three, right? Let's say keep it as an example. In this we have one, two, and then three. Let's say we just add one in the window size. I keep it two. So, and then keep two in the window size and keep three in the window size. So in this there is no repeated elements, right? So there is no problem in that. Let's say if we have distinct elements, say here. Okay, so now what we need is we just add one, and then second we just add two here, and then here again one is there, right? So what we need is we just remove the first element. They are saying like if the current element is already in window view, validating our window is escape. Remove elements from the start. So here we need to remove element of the window until it becomes valid. So we try to understand it a bit more, and then we just try to check conditions when the window reaches size A. Check if the sum is the maximum so far. So let's ask GPT some things. Okay, so here that given like we need to use set, but we already used that. If you guys have seen the last session, so we used some set to track the unique elements, but I guess it didn't help out. Let's say I already submit some solutions and they so where is the submission? So here it is. But the problem it has it like the time complexity is not up to the mark, so it's over n square, I guess. So because of two for loops, and then it only runs certain test cases. Like here, it runs both test case because the code is made for these two test case specifically. Like I just iterated, and then the remaining it just able to complete 54 kind of test case, I guess. So let just give this solution to GPT. So for your guys' understanding purpose, so I just explain. So here we have some Windows sum, right? So like this will be the window. Some Windows sum is like here, just a variable. I just make it as zero, and then we need a result, right? So in this result set to minus infinity. So I just loop it over and over. Here I just create a set. So for every iteration, we need create a new set. This set will act as a window. Like the set, the need of set is because in this problem we should not add the repeated elements, right, in the particular window, right? So for that, we just create a set and then again loop it over. So in here, we just check whether if the number here, let's say, if one is not here, we just add it into the set like this, or else we just make it as a zero, or the whole window sum will be the zero. Okay. So and then I guess this is where the problem is because yeah, I just tell you guys in the later. So and then here here it will checks like if the length of sets plus one less than k means let's say here the set size is one and then two and then three, right? 1012, right? So the length is 2 plus 1 is 3 and then k size is 3, right? So that's the thing. So if 3 is less than 3, so here we have 3. So if in case we don't have some any specific number, we just make Windows sum 0. That's it. Or else we just add these three numbers and then check the max and update it. That's it. This solution is for. Okay, so it's saying you are very close to several logic. So as I said here, right? So these are issues we have in our code. So duplicate handling. When you find a duplicate, you do, but that doesn't skip or break a loop. Continuous and still some other pivot. Okay, so I guess we try to break this loop. Okay, so we need to break this one, and then this condition is off by one. We should check. Okay, efficiency, yeah, I know that it's inefficiency. So let's say like this, then so this is solution based. You just try to understand this one. So we have a set of scene. So we have a set. Let's just create a set like this. Okay. So we have some left pointer, do some, and then maximum some. Okay. So the left pointer is like we just like to iterate it. So here for right in range. Okay. So okay. So let's say let we take some example 1 by 4 to 39. So these are the numbers we have, and then we just set left here and then right here. Okay, so Windows sum is 0, and then maximum is also 0. Right. Okay, so we have set yes. Okay, okay now we just iterated. So while okay, so we just check. Okay, so we iterate this R. Now we need to check this number whether it's inside the set or not. If it's not inside means uh, we just add it to the set. Okay, Windows sum plus or equal to numbers of right. Okay, so and then we just add it to the Windows sum. Now the Windows sum will be one there. And then if right minus left plus 1 is equal to k, which means here 0, right is 0, minus 0 is 0, plus 1, so which is 1, is equal to, we need to check whether it's equal to k or not. Okay, so, okay, so it's not equal to, so what we need to do is, but here it doesn't have any. Okay, yeah, yeah, I understand it. So let's say this condition is not satisfied, right? So just we try to loop the for loop. So again, we just make it right. Sorry. Okay. Now what we need to do is first we need to check. whether 5 is there or not. No. So we just add 5. After that, we need to plus it with this one. So the answer is 6. And then we need to check whether the left is 0 and then the right is 1, right? So 1 minus 0 plus 1, 2. And then so 2 is equal, no. So again, we just iterate the loop. Now, again, we just have 4. The answer is 10. So we just add, add here. And then here we have uh, 2 minus 0 plus 1. So now we have the window size 3, right? So here we have 3. So now what we need to do is we just max it out. So here the maximum value will be 10. And then we just need to remove the C value here. We just remove the left value. So what we from the set, now it will become like this one. And then Windows sum minus or equal to sums of left. Okay, so now what will happen is the Windows sum here, it will we should minus it with the removed value. So the value will be 9. Okay, and then we just move uh, the L here. Okay, now what will happen next? I guess again we need to iterate R. So if we iterate R means now what's the value? We just store the value here too. First we need to check inside. That's the difference. Okay. And then just a second. So yeah. So R is here. We just add it up. No, R is 0, 1, 2, 3. So the R value is 3. And then the L value is 0, 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3, right? So now again we need to add all these ones. And then what will be the answer? 5, 9, 11. So just check these two. And then so 11 is the maximum one. So we just store in the maximum values. Okay, 11. And then next, again, we need to iterate L, I guess. Yeah, okay. Okay, so after updating it, we just check it out here. The window size already reached. So we just remove the L and we just move. Sorry, we just move L. Okay, so now that's it. So again, for loop is there. We just iterate R. Now what the 9 is not there, so we just put it in the set, and then what will happen is now add all these. 18 is there. 18 is also. Windows is no. We just forget one thing. So here the answer is 11, right? We need to minus it with the L. So if we minus it with L, the value is 6. Right? I guess I made some problem. Let's ask GPT. Okay, I guess it's right. So here the value is 5, right? 6, sorry, 6. And then here we add up 9, right? So the total will be 15, I guess. Okay, yeah. So yeah, it's right. Again, what we need, and then we check with the maximum. So 15 is the greatest one. So we just store in that. And then we check the window sizes full or not. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh, so 4, 0, 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 is equal to 3. So now what we need to do is we just erase the, sorry, leftmost one, right? I guess I messed up. I guess I messed up something. Yeah. Just a second. So I just erased all. Just try to clearly. So the first step we need to do is uh, iterate R, right? So and then second, uh, after iterating, check the value R in set or not. Okay. So if not in set means uh, add add in the set and add it to the window. Let's say I keep it simple, W variable, right? So and then if in the set we just keep it right here in the set means okay. And then next one after adding it in the set, what we need to check is uh, we need to check whether the window size is full or not, right? So for that, we just check R minus L plus 1 equal to K. So if if it's true means uh, add all W, add all nums in W and update in result. The how can we do update this result means we know the maximum of result comma the current values, right, which is W variable, right? So after updating it, okay, if If not true means, okay, so if it's not true, then what we need to do? We just iterate R. Okay, yeah. So and then lastly, so if it's true and then we just update it, right? So again, yeah, that's it. We just iterate R. So that's it for. So the thing we don't need is, sorry, we don't write is here. What if we check is there any duplicate or not? If there is duplicate, what we need to do is uh, here, yeah. So if there is duplicate, we just need to remove the left. If in this set means remove the left and then subtract the left W and increment one. Okay. So yeah, this is the like these are some conditions. So this is how we need to solve this problem. Again, we try to dry run this one. So first iterate R. Okay, so R is there. Check numbers. Okay, so we need to check whether R is in this set or not. So there is no R. So we just uh, add this one and then add in the W. Okay, and then yeah, next we just move the R. Okay, so again check no. So add it in here and then add it in here. Okay, and then iterate. Again, there is no 4 in here. So add it in here and then add it in here. Now, here we need to check something, right? So here, this one, R minus L plus 1. So here R is 2 minus 0 plus 1 is equal to 3. The 3 is the K window size. So this condition satisfied. So what we need to do is we just remove the L. So before that, uh, here we need to calculate the whole sum. 5 plus 4 is 9. The answer is 10, right? Update it in result and then remove value L and then iterate the L. So these things are happen if the window size is full. Okay, so again we just try to do the same things. Now the value is 10. Okay. Now value is 10. We need to remove one here, right? So the value will be 9. So yeah. Now we have R here. So again, what we need to do is we just iterate R, right? And then check, sorry, iterate R and then plus 2, 9 plus 2 is 11, right? 11 here we need to check, sorry, we need to add it in the set and then check whether it's the window size is full or not. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So here 3 minus 1, right? So 2, so it's the condition is satisfied. So what we need to do is, so if the set satisfied means we need to remove the left value is 5, right? So just remove this left value, then subtract the left with W. So here 11 is there. So if we subtract it with the left one, the answer is 10, right? Okay, 10. And then increment VL. Okay, so yeah. So as of now we have 10. I guess so. Yeah, this is I guess. So if you guys have know any answer for this one, you guys can comment it down. And then again, what we need to do is uh, R. We just iterate R, right? Iterate R, and then check whether the value R is in here. If it's not, just store it right there. Yeah, okay. Then next, that's it. Okay, just a second, guys. I'll just try to write this one. Just set. Okay, this one is 0, and then we need to use like pointer, and then maximum and or else. So while nums of while the R value is in the set means nums of value in scene means scene, just okay. If it's seen only means we need to remove the left one. Otherwise we don't need that. I just misunderstood some logic. Okay, so I just keep this block right here. Just I pass it out. Okay, so if it's not seen means what we need to do is we just add it in the set, right? So scene dot add. Okay, after add it in the set, what we need to do is just add it in the sum. W SR equal to. Okay, so This is it. And then the next one is this is one thing where this ensures whether we have duplicate elements or not. And the other one is updating, right? So for updating, if the right minus left plus 1 is equal to k means, so if it's true means what we need to do is we just need to add all the numbers in the uh, W, right? So we have to have the W. Yeah, so we already have W, right? So we just maximum. So the maximum sum is equal to maximum sum comma result. Sorry, not result. The windows, the W. Okay. And then we just need to slide the window. Right. So we need to remove the left one, and then the window sum is W. We just minus subtract the value, and then increment the left. So these are the things. The only thing we need to do is this one. If right is already seen, what we need to do is we just remove. Okay, we just slide the window. That's it. Okay, I'm sorry. This is the solution, right? Okay, so I understand it now. So we just got confused. So this set and this set are all same. So we have two condition. One is so like uh, like this one. So let's say so if R is 4, we definitely have some numbers like 2, 4 is there if there's some empty. So we have duplicate elements, right? So what we need to do is just slide the window. From here, just we need to slide here. This is one scenario. And then the next scenario is if we have window size is full. If we have the window size has got full, let's say we have seen right here, right? So we have three window size. So if it's get full, we just need to slide it out. But before slide it out, what we need to do is we just maximum we need to find the maximum. That's the only difference between these two. And then if you guys don't know how to slide it, it's basic. It's just easy. Like let's say, sorry, this is the array, right? One, two, three, four. If you guys are here, if you guys have window size is three, right? So this is the window size. So these three elements you have, and then you need to get the next three means what we need to do. First find, sorry, I just maximum window. So first find the sorry sum of these three one, three, five, six. So the maximum sum is six, right? So and then you need the value these three. The maximum sum is the value is 4, so 7, 9 is the value. How can we make 6 to 9? So it's simple. So we just, if you guys observe this one, the center and the last elements are same. The only elements the you guys changing is the first element. So you just remove the first element, you just add the last element. That's it. So remove 1. So you just minus it with 1. So the answer is 5, right? These two. And then add it with the last element. So plus 4. With this, you get the 9. Okay. So this is how you guys easily slide that. So yeah, this is the solution we have. Just try to run it in LibCode. Again, I just tried on my own. So here, let's say we need a set, right? So we just create a set, right? So we just need a left one, and then the local variable where we set a W. After that, the maximum, I just set it as result. Easy for me. It's also 0, or you can set it minus infinity. So next, what we need is we just loop the right. Okay, now we just need a while loop. While so if right is in seen, we just pass it out. If right is not seen, what we need to do, we just append it in the set, right? So seen dot add nums of right. Okay. So after that, we just need to add this value in W, right? So W plus or equal to, okay. This if it's already seen means what we need to do, we just slide the window, right? So how can we slide the window? So we just remove the left, minus it with the W, and then add the right, right? So uh, scene dot remove, we just sorry, here. Remove it from the set, and then subtract it from the window, and then move left towards L plus or equal to 1. Okay. So yeah. So this is one thing, and then the next thing is, uh, what if we have the window size is fully occupied? So minus plus 1. If it's equal to k, yeah, okay. So if it's equal to k means what we need to do is we just need to add all those things and store it in W. Sorry, add all numbers in W and then find the maximum ones, right? So like uh, maximum of uh, result comma W, and then we just store it in the result. Okay. After this, we just need to slide the window. This is how we solve this one. Hey, extreme rating. So if you guys understand this one, uh, you can if you have any doubts, you can just comment it here. I will explain once again. Thank you. So, you are a new product. Okay, so no problem. Okay, so I guess no doubt. So we try to move on to some other problem. So first we need to find a new problem, right? So let's ask GPT for some other thing. So we have some 643 problem. Yes, I already solved this one, but try to solve again. Okay. So first we try to understand. So it's easy problem, so it's easy to solve. Okay. So we have some arrays, right, consisting of n elements and an integer k. Find a contiguous subarray whose length is equal to k. Okay, and then we need to return maximum average value and return its value. So here we have these three. What is the maximum values? 12, 13, 8. Answer is 8, right? Okay, so I just try to note it here. Uh, First one is 8. And then for next one, 6 minus 11, and then 12 is 1. So 1 is there. And then for next one, 11 minus 50, 40, then 39. Right? And then the next one, 53, and then minus 6 is 3 goes there, 47. So 47. Okay. So we need to find the average. Sorry. I guess I just did it wrong. So the window size is 4, right? So we need to take 4 elements. So 13 minus 11 is, I just delete it here. Okay. 13 minus 11 is 2. Okay. And then next, these 4. 11 minus 12 is 1 plus 1, 51, right? And then next 4. 11 minus 50 is 49, 39 plus 3, 40, 42. Okay. we need to calculate this average, right? So divided by 4. That's how we calculate the average. So I'll just use calculator. So 0.5 and then T1 divided by 4, 12.75, then 42 divided by 4, 12.75 is the answer, greatest one. Okay, so yeah, we just try to solve this one. So it's easy. I think it's pretty easy. So as I said, the thing we are doing here is we are doing two things here. So we just try to update the maximum average one. So first we need to find the maximum, and for that we just try to find the average, and then check the greatest average to be the result. So make sure that, and then the next thing is how to slide the window. So you guys know that we just minus the left side and we add the right side. Okay. Okay. So here we have so yeah, we just try to do. Okay. So we have uh, for find range of length of numbers, right? So while right is sorry for this the condition is while r minus l plus 1, right, is equal to uh, sorry, less than k means, so we need left, right. So first we use set left. Left is equal to 0, and then we just need result is equal to 0, and then we need w is equal to 0. So now less than k. So if it's less than k means we just need to uh, add it in w, right? So w dot add, sorry, not w. Yeah, so w dot uh, plus or equal to, sorry, then I just make sure it's right. So better readability, right? And then okay, okay, we just add it in w. So how this will work is we just try to take a number. Uh, so uh, here we have left, and then here we have right. Okay. So we just check uh, 0 minus 0 plus 1 less than k or not. Okay, so 0 plus 1, 1 less than 4. Okay, so now what we need is we just add it in the W. So W is equal to 1, right? So we just add it in the new variable and then move right. Okay, so right plus or equal to 1. Okay, so now next one, if we move this one right, okay, again we just check whether just a second, we don't need to side just wait. If we just write like a condition instead of loop, this condition satisfies, we just add it here and then add it right here. Okay, so we just pass it down. Okay, so and then we here we have, so the answer is we just add it in here, right? So 1 plus 12 is 13. So the answer is 13, right? And then again, uh, R we just iterate over here. We just check this condition. Again, it will not satisfy, right? Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 2 minus 0 plus 1 is 3 less than 4, right? So the answer is 13 minus 5, 8. So again, it will update W and then we again move R. Move R. And then again we check here. So minus 6, right? So 2 is the answer. Okay, so 2 is the answer. Right? So, now what we need to do is if after this here this condition is satisfies if the right one it doesn't satisfy, right? So this doesn't satisfy, uh, it's less than 4. It's, 0 1 2 3, right? So we have 3 right here and then 0 right here plus 1 4 is equal to 4 not less than 4. So what we need is we just add the R to W, right? So let's try adding R to the W. Now W plus R equal to thumbs up, right? And then what we need to do is we just find the average. So average is equal to W divided by K, and then we just max need the update the result. So, maximum result comma average. Okay, so these are the things happening, and then again Here now, we just try to let's see. But the thing is, left cannot iterate over and over. So till where we need to iterate left, that's case in here, right? So let's say if left is here means we can iterate here. So the thing we can only iterate left till here. If we goes beyond that, we have the error, right? So how can we do that is 0, 1, 2. So length of number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 5 minus 4, sorry, the length of number 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 minus the 4 is the k, right? So this is the formula for this one. So length of numbers minus k. Till this, the L can be iterate, and then we need to check two conditions. If we need to make right here also, right is equal to 0. If right minus left, 0 minus 0 plus 1 less than k. If not, we just add, else we just do this. We had some issues. So since we need just float value, I tried this one. So we have some issues here. Okay, so the thing we are missing is we didn't even loop the right thing, right? Sorry, the right pointer. So let's say uh, uh, we here we have initially we have like this. Now, so for we just make sure like this is the case, and then move the left and then move the left. But we need to move the right only, right? So for that we just use a while right. Let's say when we need to stop the right. I'll drive here, right here. Less than or equal to Right is 0, 1, 2, 3, right. So 3 minus 0 plus 1, right. So this will be 4. Uh, Less than or equal to k means, so I had done something wrong. So we just not to code right now. I just deleted this all. Hope I'm audible. So yeah, so I had W right here. Okay. Okay. So for this, I just take I here. Okay. W will be 0. We just add I here. Okay. So and then add 12 and then add minus 5 and then add minus 6. So now if it's exceeds the window size, how can we understand? We need to stop right there, right? So for that, we need some pointer like L. Okay.
So yeah, I guess I okay, so I guess we can try to understand the previous problem. Yeah, this will be the same like this maximum sum of subarray with k elements. So in here, what we are doing is we just need to compute the first four elements. So I just forgot that. So like we just use some with the use of the slicing window technique, we can find the local sum. So I just use the local sum is equal to sum of uh, sum of sums of first k elements. So after finding this, we just use a for loop from length of array minus k. So this will I already said till I can only iterate till this formula. Like if the array size is 6, so it can only till the index 2, 0, 1 and 2. So that's the thing. And then we need to find a local sum minus the nums of I. So this one is I already said, right? So we have the first four values like this one. So we have first four numbers 1, 12, minus 5 and then minus 6. We have that. So again so after finding this one, we need to slide the window. So for that we need to remove the remove the L. So we just subtract the L and just add the next element, right? So that's the thing. So that we are doing where, where is it? Here. After that we just find the